Trading for beginners. Brief discussion from starting level. Important things to know in trading market. What is stock market? What is trading and its type? Indian Stock Exchange NSE and BSE? Sensex and Nifty? Charts? What are futures and options? Brokers? What is the stock market and how does it work? The stock market is where shares of companies and other financial instruments are bought and sold. It's a network of all-stock trading where investors and traders buy and sell stocks. These trades determine stock prices, reflecting the company's perceived value and market conditions. Indian stock market. Indian stock market has two stock exchange. It's governed by SEBI. NSE, it consists of 50 stocks, 12 macroeconomic sectors, 22 sectors, 59 industries and 197 basic industries. BSE Sensex covers 13 sector, 30 stocks industrial sectors. Opens at 9:15 a.m., closes at 3:30 p.m. Mon to Friday, pre-opening 9 o'clock a.m. to 9:08 a.m. Types of trading. Mainly 4 types of trading using in market dash. Intraday, swing, scalping, positional. Financial instruments. Stocks, derivatives, FNO, bonds, mutual funds. Technical charts. However, the 4 types that are most common are line chart, bar chart, point and figure chart, candlestick chart. How to start investing in stocks. 9 tips for beginners. Buy the right investment, avoid individual stocks if you're a beginner, create a diversified portfolio, be prepared for a downturn, try a simulator before investing real money, stay committed to your long-term portfolio, start now, avoid short-term trading. Keep investing over time. What are BSE and NSE? BSE is short for the Bombay Stock Exchange. Founded in 1875, BSE is the first and one of the largest securities markets, based out of Mumbai in India. NSE is short for the National Stock Exchange. Founded in 1972, it offers a countrywide stock market similar to BSE. While BSE is older, NSE is larger, with greater daily trades and a higher turnover rate. Sensex, which stands for Stock Exchange Sensitive Index, is the stock market index for the Bombay Stock Exchange. Nifty stands for National Stock Exchange 50 and is the index for the National Stock Exchange. Here's what you should know about the different types of stocks. Common stock. Common stock is probably what you think of when you are looking to invest in stocks. Preferred stock. Preferred stock is more like a bond than it is a stock. Large cap stock. Mid cap stock. Small cap stock. Growth stock. Value stock. Foreign stock. To be continued in next video.